Hello student, welcome to this digital classroom. This is Akanksha pisolkar working as assistant professor in civil engineering department of Kekewa College of Engineering. Now we will see about building rules and bylaws. Now in this PPT we will see about plinth area, built up area, carpet area and floor area. Then initially we will see about built up area. What is the built up area? It is the area covered by all the floors of building immediately above the plinth level. Means it is the summation of built up area of all the floors. It includes everything which is covered under roof, but it excludes balcony which is open to sky and staircase. Then next is plinth area. The plinth area is maximum built up covered area which is measured externally at any floor or at the basement of any story, whichever is higher. Then in a plinth area we includes this area. Firstly, if area of wall, if that wall is common for two owners, then half area of wall is considered for both owners. Then second, shaft for sanitary, water supply installation, telecommunication, electric, firefighting, air conditioning and lift. Then area of staircase. Then in plinth area, same rule is applicable for veranda and balcony. If that veranda and balcony is covered, then we consider 100% area of that veranda and balcony while calculating plinth area. And if that veranda or balcony is not covered, then we are considering only 50% of area of that balcony or veranda. Then next, this area we are not considering while calculating the plinth area. Area of loft, area of architectural bund or cornice and area of vertical sunbreaker. Open platform, terrace and open spiral staircase. All these areas we are not considering while calculating plinth area. Then next type of area is floor area. Floor area means simply we can say where we can lay floors. That means that floor area will be equal to plinth area minus wall. It includes door and other openings, internal pillar and support, and plaster along the wall exceeding 300 meter square. It shall not include the plaster along the wall less than 300 meter square. Then next is carpet area. It is the area which applies to the total clear usable area inside the house. In simple word we can say that the area where we can lay carpet is called as carpet area. The area where actually one can walk is also called as carpet area. It does not include the area of internal and external wall. While calculating carpet area, following areas are excluded. First, area of veranda, area of corridor and passage, area of entrance hall and porch, area of staircase and stair cover, area of shaft and machine room, then area of bathroom and WC, area of kitchen, pantry, store, area of canteen, area of air conditioning duct and plant room, area of shaft which is provided for various building services. All this area is not considered while calculating the carpet area. Means in carpet area we are considering only drawing room and bedroom. Then there are three types of houses: detached building, semi-detached building and row house. So what is detached building? You can say this is the only single building. No wall is common for this building and open space is there on all the sides. So detached building means the building whose wall and roofs are independent of any other building with the open space on all sides as specified. Semi-detached building. In semi-detached building, one wall is common and open space is there on three sides of building. A building detached on three sides of building with open space, one wall is common. Two buildings in the two adjoining plots are designed jointly. Then row housing. In row house, two walls are common, only front and rear margin is there. Then floor space index, it is also called as floor area ratio, that is FAR. What is floor space index or FAR? It is the ratio of built up area upon plot area. Now in different area there is different values of FSI or FAR. Now why this FSI or FAR is restricted? To control the height of building or to control the population in that area, FSI or FAR is restricted. The permissible FSI is governed by the development control rule or prevailing in that area. Now this is some example of calculation of FSI. All these three diagram having FSI is equal to 1. You can see in first diagram, built up area is equal to plot area, as there is 100% coverage of plot area by building that. So in this case, built up area is equal to plot area, so FSI will be equal to 1. In second diagram, you can see 50% coverage is there, but 50% plot area is adjusted on first floor. So ultimately built up area is equal to plot area, so FSI will be equal to 1. In third diagram, 25% coverage is there, but this 75% plot area is again covered on first, second and third floor. So ultimately built up area will be equal to plot area and FSI will be equal to 1. So what is open space? Open space means it is an area forming an internal part of site left open to sky, that is called as open space. Then next is land zoning. There are two types of land zoning, density zoning and height zoning. Now density zoning is done by restricting the height of buildings, ultimately restricting the FSI in that area. Density zoning means the controlling the density of population in that area. When we restrict the height of building in particular area, ultimately population density in that area will get restricted. Second is height zoning. In this height zoning, we are restricting the height of building. Ultimately, we are restricting the FSI of building. It is based on climatic. Height zoning is based on the climatic factor, the type of building and zone type utility wise. It avoids the dominancy of tall building over the small building for getting the light and ventilation. It controls the land value. It gives the pleasant look to an important street, and it controls on central area activity. Thank you.